Sending payments on PayPal? It's easier than you think. Whether you're paying a friend's shopping online or handling a business transactions, PayPal offers multiple ways to send money quickly and securely. In this guide, I will break down the different payment methods and options so you can choose the best one for you. Now, let's dive in. First, open your web browser and search for paypal.com and make sure to log in your account. Now, after that, you will be redirected into the homepage. Tap send a request button. You can also tap the buttons at the right side here. Now, all you have to do is to input whether name, username, email, or mobile phone of your receiver. And when you type any of them, their profile will be displayed on the search option. And now you will be prompted to enter the amount of payment you want to send to them. You can also change the currency, which adds an additional fee for conversion. And after that, just tap next, and now your payment will be delivered. And the other option is sending an invoice. Tap the send and request button again. Now at the left side, in the more options, tap send an invoice. So in here, you have to select a template. I'll be using invoice for amount only. And select a currency. You can also add your logo here. And after that, in this section, just enter your customer's PayPal email address or name. Then input the item's name, for example, service or a product together with the amount. At the right side, you can see the invoice information, such as the number, date, and the due. You can also make changes in this section. And after that, you can enter your message to your customer. After you set up everything, just tap send button at the top right location and your payment will be delivered. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.